उसको किसी भी तरह उसको हम लोग पूरा करें।
The Meghalaya BJP has decided to contest the upcoming KHADC election. Informing this today, BJP spokesperson M. Khadc said that the party has already invited application from interested candidates. According to Khadc, the BJP has to contest the election for its survival as party workers and leaders have to keep intact. He further informed that the party is looking to contest in at least 5 to 10 seats.
The party president has called for applications from aspiring candidates, and the last date has been fixed as 30th December, and the applications are to be submitted to the respective district presidents, and it will be based on the recommendation of the district president, and subsequently it will go to the election committee at the state level, and ultimately then will be decided.
Meanwhile, the Meghalaya BJP has slammed the Shillong